In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI animated stories with Nano Banana, AI animation tutorial. We'll start simple and build up quickly so you can go from a blank page to a polished AI comic in minutes. First, open your browser and head to Google. This keeps things straightforward and makes sure we're finding the official tools. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Gemini site from Google. It should clearly indicate that it's a Google product, and the address will reference gemini.google.com. Clicking the official result takes you straight into the Gemini app interface where all the creative features live. Once you're in, look for the Create Image button. Go ahead and click it. This action activates Nano Banana, which is the visual storytelling helper inside Gemini. Think of it as your built-in art director. It translates your ideas into illustrated panels that read like a comic or animated storyboard. You'll typically see an image generation workspace appear, and from here, you're ready to choose a starting point. To get moving fast, use the pre-made prompt called Make a Comic on how to use Nano Banana Pro. Select it, and Gemini will generate a multi-panel comic that explains the tool in a fun, visual way. This is a great baseline because it demonstrates pacing, panel layout, and character consistency without you needing to plan everything up front. Let it render, then review the result like a storyboard. Check the flow from panel to panel, the clarity of captions, and how well the visuals match the theme. Now for the creative part. You can customize this comic by editing the prompt. Small edits can have big effects. If you want a specific style, say clean, modern flat colors, or hand-drawn ink with soft shading. To set the mood, add cues like optimistic, bright lighting, or dramatic cinematic contrast. If you need a particular setting or character, describe them clearly. A curious robot guide in a friendly tech lab, or a student creator at a cozy desk. You can also guide structure: 4 panels, clear steps, concise captions, or 6 panels with a punchy final reveal. If the story needs stronger clarity, ask for labeled panels, numbered steps and captions, or speech bubbles that stay brief and readable. And that's the full flow. Search for Google Gemini, open the official site, click Create Image to activate Nano Banana, use the pre-made comic prompt, then refine it by editing the prompt until the visuals and narration match your vision. Take your time, iterate, and watch your AI animated story come to life.